All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, you have watched two of my videos. The first video was of a mini lesson um, about a book and how authors, when we're writers, we are authors, and sometimes we find ideas and get ideas from other authors. So I read a book to you, which led to our second video, which gave you time to hear the book again and jot down 5 or 6 different topics at least that you got from reading that book. You should have that done. You should have 5 to 6 topics. If you don't, you need to go back to the last video, video number 2, and get that complete. Otherwise, your ELA binder was put away. You are now on to the third video. This video is going to give you time to use your thinking voice. So we're kind of going into the reading side of language arts right now. Remember, the thinking voice is the things that come into our mind. It's the tracks that we leave in the snow as we're reading. And I want you guys to try to document this, maybe in a way that you haven't done so before. So it may be challenging, but I want you to give it a try. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And you can always go back and watch this before you try it on your own. So what you are going to do is you are going to go to your Google Classroom, which I believe you guys can find it in this little waffle over here. And obviously go to your ELA, whatever block you're in. You'll probably see the other videos that I've posted, so you might have to scroll down a little further. I haven't posted them yet, so you don't see them yet. But I want you to go to the Classroom website link and click on that. I want you to go to the reading resources, and I would love for you to go to Newsela. Go ahead and click on the link to Newsela. And you might have to sign in or log in. I'm already logged in. I want you to pick whatever article you choose to pick. I mean, it's whatever interests you. So you may choose the article of whatever your heart desires. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on this article here. What I want you to do is read through the article. And as you are reading, I'm going to have you digitally leave your tracks. So you are going to use your thinking voice, or you're going to prove to me that you have your thinking voice. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you will have to click and highlight. As soon as you let go of the mouse pad, you have the option of highlighting in 4 different colors. And then you also are able to write your thought. So here's your thinking voice. Let's see. I just read, scientists hope a giant floating strainer will help to clean up the ocean. Soon it will be tested off the coast of California. Wow. I can't imagine how large the strainer will have to be. That is my thought. And then I'm going to go ahead and share that so it's there, because I want you to share it so I can see it. And then you're going to move on and you're going to keep reading. You will have to pause your reading to provide your thinking. Each time that you highlight, and it may just be a few words, you may just say something like wow or weird name. Oops. That's fine, but I want to see proof of your thinking voice. You're going to do that throughout the article. And I want you to practice the footprints that you are leaving, the thinking voice footprints that you are leaving. So give this a try. If you get confused, come back to my video and watch it again and see if maybe that helps. The other thing I want to show you is that you can change the lexile level. If you are reading this and some of the vocabulary is a little bit too difficult, change it. And if you think it's a little bit too easy, then try to bring it up a level and see if you can still understand the language. You probably want to do that before you start annotating, though, because it will only stick with the one that you started on. So give that a try. If you still have class time after you finish one article, move into another article. All right. Thank you very much, you guys, for your hard work, and I will see you next week.